Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today I'm going to show you somewhere totally different, unbelievable. And we are starting off from Retox Bar in Soi Lenki. They do a trip every Sunday, Wednesday and Friday. They get the BART bus, they hire it. So I just waiting for a few more on their way. They pay 50 baht each way. Over to the dark side, Soi 87. I will put a map up to show you where we're going. And on the way over there, we've done the drone around. I'll show you where we're going to and what we're going to be doing. So we'll get on the BART bus to get over there. I'll see you there. Enjoy it. I'll put the map up and then the drone. So enjoy this. We're on our way over. So where we are, we've arrived. It's 50 baht each on the BART bus to here. I hope you enjoyed the drone and time lapse. We are early. There's a tournament on, so we'll have a little look around. Okay, see you later. And then get into the a bit of the action. The lawns here are extremely good. This one may be coming up. He's going to put like an AstroTurf down. This one shall be kept going. You can stay here. They have rooms. I believe there's only 6 rooms. There may be 7, but let's say 6. And they are 800 baht a night. Beautiful rooms. Pool. There's a little terrace up there. Tournaments or whatever, if you want to come down and watch. Look over it. But it is a beautiful, beautiful place. This is the bar. The bar area, restaurant. Hot pies, they were delicious. Best pies in Pattaya.
Best pies in Thailand.
Oh, brilliant. And only 100 baht.
Yeah, you can get, yeah.
That, excellent. Hot pies, 100 baht. From the bar you can look out over here. So we'll have a look round. We'll have a little look at the tournament, and Thai national bowls team will be here also. Yes, Thailand has a national. Thailand has a national bowls team coming up from Bangkok. Apparently, it's quite big in Thailand bowls. Who'd have thought it? So let's have a look round. So this is the room, or the rooms, one of them. Good king size bed, TV, fridge in yellow, air conditioning, fan, ceiling fan, wardrobes, shower room, nice shower, toilet, sink and mirror. A very nice room, very clean, nice and light. This side you have views over the pool. All we got to do is be able to get out. And a bit of the bowling green. So that's the room. Very nice room to stay in. 800 baht a night. You can't go wrong out here. Includes all the facilities. Up to you. But if you like bowls, long bowling, you will. Yeah, you'll love this here. And at 800 baht a night, you'll be in your elements. So, let's carry on round. So let's carry on round. That's the rooms, that's all.
Unlucky. One down. You get a bit of green. Line. Good effort. Mike, same way. Green. Yeah, good ball. Great ball, this mushroom. Actually running. Yeah. That's just for one. Did you draw in? Great ball. Oh, yeah. Great ball. Don't it there, Wood? 1, 2.
So there we have it, the Retreat Lawn Bowling Club at Pattaya, east side. Excellent place, fantastic place to come to. Very inexpensive. We've shown you the lawns, the pool, the rooms, the bar, everything for you. For a relaxing getaway from Pattaya Central. Come here for a few days, chill out, whatever you want. The rooms are wonderful. I will put the website, email address in the descriptions board. I will put, they have a Facebook page, I will put a link to the Facebook page in the descriptions. Everything's there for you. The Retox Bar on Soy Lenki do day trips. Get a lot up, 14 of us come out today. Alright, 13 were playing and me. But 14 of us, 13 of them from Retox Soy Lenki. It's for everyone. There's even the Thai national bowls team here today playing. So, come all the way from Bangkok. Anyway, I hope you've liked it. It's different. Showing other things that you can be doing. Hold on. Now they're trying to get me even with the bowling balls. I don't believe this. Anyway, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, like and share. If you really hated it, which you shouldn't have done, but it is me, give it a thumbs up, like and share. Subscribe would be nice too. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
I went down to 29%. Yeah, I couldn't do it. Press it once, then again. Press it once, then once again. That's it. It's just like the Phantom. It's the same as the Phantom. Fucking hell, Kev runs.
Fucking amazing, I'm fucking thing straight away to know. I didn't even ask her, you're not getting one.
No.
No for monkeys.
Ready?